Hello everyone, my name is Jacob with Gpex. You're welcome to this channel. You're welcome to GpexSkills Academy, and you're welcome to this class. In this class, we are going to learn everything about TikTok and TikTok sponsored ads. This is the advanced sponsored ads training, the advanced TikTok sponsored ads training, and we're going to learn everything about TikTok and TikTok sponsored ads from zero to mastery. We're going to start from what is TikTok down to the difficult part of it. Don't be scared, there is no difficult part because I'll make everything easy for you to understand. Okay, so what I need you to do is to be expectant. I need you to be excited because there is a lot to learn in this class. There is a whole lot to learn in this class. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What is TikTok? Now, TikTok is a social media platform, just like you have Facebook, just like you have Instagram, just like you have Twitter. So it's a very popular social media platform for creating and sharing short videos, usually 15 seconds videos to like 3-minute videos. It's more like a video social media application. It was launched around 2017, and in Nigeria, I think it went viral around 2018, 2019. Actually, it allows users to add music to videos, music to pictures, sound effects, filters, and even visual effects to videos. And it is also very known for viral trends. You can have those, music trends, you can have dance trends, you can have even, comedy trends and those skits. It uses the power of algorithm to show users personalized content on there's what we call For You page. And that is why so many users find TikTok very addictive. They can stay on TikTok for like, 2, 3, 4, even 5 hours. They won't know when time is gone. And how that algorithm works, let's say you open TikTok for the first time, you've seen some videos. Most likely you won't like all the videos, right? Then let's say you see a video you're really interested in. It's fun to you. Maybe it's a comedy video and you watch the video to the end. You laughed a lot. The algorithm is going to take note of that you watch this video to the end, and it's going to show you more videos like that, more similar videos. And not only that, the videos that you interact with, that you like, you share, you comment on, the algorithm is going to take note of those kind of videos and show you more of those kind of related videos. So now think about you've used TikTok for a day or two, and you started seeing videos upon videos upon videos that you like, because the algorithm keeps showing you videos from previous experience, from what it has learned, from what you like, keeps showing you videos that you like. You like this video, you scroll to the next, oops, I like this one too. It's comedy also, you laugh, you like it, you comment, you go to the next, oops, I like this one too. Before you know it, hours is gone, you're on TikTok. 2 hours gone, you're on TikTok. 4 hours gone, you're on TikTok. So it uses the power of algorithm to show users personalized content based on the user's interest. Okay. Now TikTok has so many users. Facebook have I think about 2 billion users per day, active users in a day. But TikTok has over 1 billion monthly active users worldwide. Yeah. So one thing about these platforms and about the users, as a business person and as a business owner, we take note of these things a lot. So that's where you target to market. For example, Facebook, that has over 2 billion active users in a day, you go there. That is your go-to point to go run marketing because of the target audience, a lot of it that you can reach. So TikTok has over 1 billion and is a very good one for marketing as well. Now, when it started earlier on, it's attracted, a lot of young audience. But right now, it's used by people of all ages, both young and old, because there are a lot of content creators now. It is quite a powerful, platform for entertainment and for learning. You also find some learning materials there. You learn a lot. Some people will comment that TikTok is some kind of school because they've learned what they didn't learn in school on TikTok. So you learn. You also it's also a very good platform for marketing because of the retention time. People stay on that platform for a very long time, so they are very active compared to other platforms. So businesses, creators uses TikTok to grow their audience and sell products and services. because of the audience, the target size. It's reasonable, it's nice, and the platform is very engaging. So it's more like a video social media platforms where you see most of the content, they are videos, and it's used by most content creators. And since TikTok can be monetized, you see so many active users nowadays. Some of them going live to stream live to receive gifts on TikTok, and the others that has whose TikTok has that monetization features that is open abroad, maybe somewhere like UK, US. They get paid from views, from likes, comments, from those interactions as well. So TikTok is a very good platform. It's a very good platform. It's engaging. It now depends on you, what you want to use it for. Do you want to use it to your own benefit, or you want to go there to be consuming other people's content? Okay. So we are going to discuss TikTok in the aspect of sponsored ads. Okay, so we are more concerned about the sponsored ads aspect of TikTok, not the content creation aspect of it. Although we are still going to talk about content creation, because for you to run a sponsored ads on TikTok, you need ad media, you need ad creative. So you need some good videos that won't go against their policy. So that is what TikTok is. I hope with this very short explanation, you now understand what TikTok is. After understanding TikTok, what is TikTok sponsored ads? So just like it was explained on the advanced Facebook sponsored ads training class, it's the same thing. The only difference is the platform. You do that on Facebook, now you're doing it here on TikTok. So TikTok sponsored ads, they are simply paid promotions where you have a user that is using TikTok, for example, and this user happens to be a business owner, a small business owner, for example, that sells clothing and shoes. Now, this user can pay TikTok some amount of money, so TikTok can help showcase her product to as many audience out there. Let's say 5,000 audience out there, even without their consent. So this product is just going to pop up, will show on this audience screen on their page as they are scrolling through so many videos. They will see this product alongside. So now the reason why people do this, why users do this, so that out of these 5,000 reach, at least 100 could convert. By conversion, I mean out of these 5,000 people seeing this product, seeing this video, about 100 of them, out of them, would reach out to this user to say, hey, I like your product, I want to buy it. Hey, I like your service, I need your service. So they are going to convert. They will need your product, they will need your service, they will buy from you, they will request for your service, and you make money from it. So it's business. So it's just simply a form of advertisement, just like you advertise your product real time in the market. This is just exactly how it is, but in this case, it's virtual. You don't need to go to a TV station. You don't need to go to a radio station. You don't need to advertise with a flyer. You don't need to walk around. All you need to do, you pay this platform some money, then they will help you. They will do the job by posting, displaying, showcasing your products to so many audience out there for them to see on their screen. So the audience that are interested in your product, they will reach out to you, they will buy from you. And those that are interested in your services, they will reach out to you and they will request for your service. Now, please get this right. This paid promotion is quite different from organic reach. Let me explain organic reach in a minute. So there is some cases where you're going to post a video or you post a content, and this content is very engaging and people like it, people comment in it. So it's going viral. So the more people engage in this, your content, they are liking, they are commenting, they are sharing, the more this content is going to be shown to more audiences out there. And the more they engage, comment, share, the more it will be shown to higher number, larger audience. So that is how videos, that is how contents go viral. So before you know it, you have like millions of views, you have hundreds of thousands of comments, of shares, of saves, of likes. So that is different from paid promotions. Paid promotion, you don't necessarily need some engagement. All you need to do is to pay TikTok some money and they will do the job for you. They will send your product, the video of your product, to as many audience out there. So all you'll be hoping for is that this audience, they convert. And what do I mean by conversion? that this audience, your product is being shown, so they will reach out to you to buy your products, to request for your services. Okay, so that is what TikTok sponsored ads is, and that is simply how it works. It's very simple. That is how it works. And for the audience, they are not just going to show it to some random audience. You would tell TikTok the kind of people you want your products, your content to be shown to. You can even include the age, the gender, the demography, the interest, the behaviors. You can describe your audience as much as you can to TikTok. These are the kind of people I want my products to be shown. So once TikTok approves your content, it doesn't go against their rules, their regulations, your ad will start running and you start seeing conversion. You start seeing messages, so many messages, likes, followers. You can run promotions for different purposes. It's not just sales. You can run it for engagement. If you have TikTok, you just opened and you need followers, you can run a paid promotions in TikTok. I need followers. Send this content to people that will most likely follow me, that will most likely like my post. So TikTok will do that. So you can get followers, you can get likes, you can get comments, and you can get sales from TikTok as well. So you can run paid promotions, sponsored ads for different purposes. When we get to that stage, I would explain the different sponsored ads we have on TikTok and how to do each of them. Okay, so that is what TikTok sponsored ads is, and that is how it works. Lastly, in this section, what are the requirements to running TikTok sponsored ads? So number one on that list should be smartphone and internet. Yes, you must have a smartphone and an internet. And for everyone seeing this video right now, I believe you already meet the requirements of a smartphone and an internet, because you are seeing this video with a smartphone and with an internet. So you need a smartphone and an internet. And secondly, you need to have a TikTok account, whether it's a local TikTok account or it's international, it doesn't really matter. And you need to be over 18 years. Beyond that is the payment method, because for you to make payments on TikTok to run sponsored ads, you need some payment method. Most importantly, you need a very good creative. If you don't have a creative yet, please go and make one. Go and make a very good, top-notch flyer. Go pay a designer, go pay a graphics designer, go pay those people that make videos for businesses to run ads with. We also offer that services, by the way. You can reach out to us. You have our contact, you have our email. Reach out to us and we'll help you make some perfect flyer for your business and some very good videos for your business to run sponsored ads with. So please make very good creatives, make very good videos, make very good flyers that meets the TikTok policy. It's very important. It should not go against their policy. If it does not comply with TikTok policy, the sponsored ads would be brought down. It will be rejected. So that is it. And beyond that, ad copy is also very important. Have a very good ad copy in place and make sure you have your target audience ready to go. What kind of people do you intend to target with your ad? Okay, so those are the basic requirements you need to run sponsored ads. But as we go along, you will see in more details what you need to run the sponsored ads with. So thank you very much for this class. I believe you've learned a lot. You now know what TikTok is, what TikTok sponsored ad is, and how it works. And you know the requirements to running TikTok sponsored ads. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Okay, so thank you again for this session. My name is Jacob with Gpex. See you in the next video. Bless.